Welcome back to NoSaltBP. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at NoSaltBP.com. Welcome to all my new supporters, both on YouTube and Instagram. I will be preparing a savored favorite dish for the holidays in many families. This dish has been produced by UncleLou'sChitlins. Yes, Uncle Lou's out of Cincinnati, Ohio, has been around since 1887. They give back to their community, and not only their community, they give back across the nation. You can purchase their products in any Kroger, Publix, Food for Less if you're here in California. And this is not a paid endorsement. I did purchase the products because, of course, I have to look for the salt. So, having said that, let's get started, shall we? So, okay, these are Uncle Lou's Chitlins. They are based out of Cincinnati, Ohio. They are super premium, all natural. I purchased 5 pounds of it, and I'll show you the weight, the location. Net weight is 5 pounds. I have unthawed them, and to show you again that these are all natural, there's no brining or anything involved in it. That's your nutritional information right there. Look at the sodium amount. 25 milligrams per 4-ounce serving. And again, they use absolutely no salt and no brining. And so, we're going to get started. Okay, so for those of you who are doing Chitlins Stovetop, click on the I in the video. I did a Chitlins video last year on Stovetop, but this is something that has never been done on YouTube. This will be with the Ninja Foodie. These are my cleaned chitlins. If you notice the water is clear. That's the way your chitlins should look. And Uncle Lou's Chitlins contain 200 calories per 4-ounce serving, 19 grams of fat, 170 milligrams of cholesterol, but only 25 milligrams of sodium. So, you don't have to worry about your blood pressure with this. And 9 grams of protein. So, these are chitlins. And now, we're going to do a random test to ensure that these chitlins are clean. Over here. Random meaning I'm just going to pick one up. And we're going to examine the cleanliness of these chitlins. The NoSaltBP way. So we know that one's good. And if you notice the water down here, the water is clear. It should look just like the faucet, like it's coming out of the faucet. So here we go again. Here's another random one. We check the front and the back. And these are clean. Our water is still clear. Random in here again. I'm just going to pick one randomly. You're going to place it under the water. And we are checking for cleanliness on both sides. Front and back. See? The water is still clear. You want to make sure that the water is clear and that you have absolutely nothing on these chitlins. See, our water is still clear over here, right? Another one, random one. And random, meaning that you just stick your hand in there and you grab any chitlin you touch and you examine it for cleanliness. Both sides. Front and back. And your water is still clear. So now we know our chitlins are clean. And they are white. There's nothing pink about them. They're white. The water's clear. Now, Uncle Lou's Chitlins, 5-pound bag. I purchased it for $8.99, right? I allowed them to thaw out. I'm going to place them in here. And all the water out. This is something else that you have not seen here on YouTube. And in particular on my channel, no one pays for an endorsement. Either it passed the no salt test or it does not. So we're going to take these, place them in this plastic bag. Drain out any excess water. Turn on my scale, which is 0. We're going to 0 it. So it's 0'd. And wait till it hits 0. Change the unit. Pounds and ounces. There we go. So this is my little handy dandy scale. It started out as 5 pounds. This is what we have now after cleaning. Get them all up in there. I have 2.19 pounds or 2.2 pounds after cleaning. So that says, if you look at that again, that says these chitlins have been thoroughly cleaned. The ice and water is off of them. I'm going to place them in a clear bowl, just as I did last year. And by the way, I used Uncle Lou's Chitlins last year. So, these are my seasonings. They are jalapenos and red pepper. Try to put a little bit more of that water. And I will distribute distribute them all throughout the chitlins. Like so. And I have my seasoning, same seasoning I used last year. You'll find it in the information card. And of course, absolutely no salt, no hot sauce. Hot sauce contains 210 milligrams of sodium per teaspoon, which is more than the chitlins. So that's why I say I don't need the hot sauce. And they are nice and done. So now I'm preparing to place them in my Ninja Foodie. Two cups of hot water, and we'll be done in about 45 minutes. I will see you in a moment. And here we are. We're with our Ninja Foodie. It's on pressure, high, temperature's high, for 45 minutes. It takes much less time than it would stovetop. But the stovetop recipe will be in the video. And I want to say thank you so much to the Rojas family out of Ohio for trusting me with your product. I like everything I see so far. So now, you saw me place in my jalapenos, my onions, my seasoning, and it's all the same. Absolutely no salt was used for this recipe because, again, chitlins only contain 25 milligrams of sodium. It is the lowest sodium count pretty much of anything that you can eat for the holidays. And this is one of my family holidays' favorite. We're going to put it on pressure, which means we use this lid. And I'm going to snap it on. The lid is on. There we go. And there we are. And I will see you in a moment. Thank you again to the Rojas family. Thank you for Uncle Lou's Chitlins. We deeply appreciate it out here. And again, you can purchase their products all over the United States. They manufacture, develop, procreate over 400 million pounds of chitlins per year. Selling it in a 5-pound bag. I purchased mine for $8.95, so you do the math. Sounds like a good deal to me, and I will see you shortly. You know what, guys? I am shooketh over here. These chitlins were done in 30 minutes using the Ninja Foodie pressure cooker. Put it on pressure, temperature was high, time was 30 minutes, couldn't take it to 45. So I'm going to show you guys what exactly is in the pot. And another added feature, there was absolutely no smell. It smelled like I was in a restaurant and I had ordered chitlins. So I'm going to pull these out. You guys can see them. See that? Ooh, I still have more in here. See how the smoke just rises from these bad boys? Remember, pressure cook, 30 minutes, temperature high. And thank you so much to the Rojas family for continuing the tradition of Uncle Lou's. These are the chitlins, and I'm going to move in so you guys can see them. See that? There is a huge difference between cooking in 30 minutes as opposed to 3 or 4 hours with chitlins. I'm going to eat one. And over here, I've only eaten on camera or had tasted something on camera one other time, and that was my crab salad. You are welcome to go through my videos to check it. So here we go. Happy holidays, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I realize you have many choices and channels to receive your recipe information. However, here at NoSaltBP, we do it without the salt, and we count carbs. Thank you. I ain't getting to this. Thanks to all of my new Instagram followers. Thanks to all my YouTube followers, my supporters who have been rocking with me from day one. I will continue to do it without salt. Count carbs. Remember, sodium content is 25 milligrams per 4 ounces. Those are chitlins, y'all, done in 30 minutes. Click the link in the description bar, and I will see you soon. Everyone have a wonderful evening. I'm getting ready to tear this up. Good night.